When somebody subscribes to a list that requires confirmation, that person will be unconfirmed in Mailcoach first. That person can get confirmed by clicking the confirmation link in the confirmation mail. But some people will never click that link. And if Mailcoach wouldn't do anything about this, then unconfirmed persons would be in the database forever. Luckily, Mailcoach has a delete old unconfirmed subscribers command that deletes unconfirmed subscribers that are older than a month. In this video, I'd like to show you how we test this command. We are going to use yet another package of ours. This time we are going to use the test time package. And this package contains a helper to control the flow of time. So we can freeze the time and we can manipulate the time. This will be pretty handy when trying to prove that the command only deletes unconfirmed subscribers that are older than a month. Let's head back to PHP Storm and take a look at the tests of this command. So this file contains two tests. The first one will prove that the command will delete only the unconfirmed subscribers that are older than a month. And the second one will prove that we will only delete unconfirmed users and not already subscribed ones or subscribers in other states. But let's first take a look at the setup method. You can see that it contains a call to the freeze method of test time. Let's take a look at what this call does by adding a few dump statements. I'm going to dump the value of now. We are going to sleep for maybe 3 seconds. And we are going to dump the value of now again. So I'm first going to comment this out to see what happens. We are going to run this test. And you can see that first we have a timestamp that is at 36 seconds and then 3 seconds later 39 seconds. Now let's freeze the time and run the test again. And you can see that the first timestamp has 51 seconds and the second one too. So we've actually frozen time. We can also manipulate time. Let me show you by calling add year. So we are going to add a year to the time. And let's run the test again. And the first timestamp has 2020 as the year. And the next one has 2021 as the year. Now that you have a feeling of how this works, let's take a look at the actual tests. Let me first remove those dump statements again. This one will prove that we will only delete unconfirmed subscribers that are older than a month. So first we are going to create a subscriber and we are going to assert that its status is unconfirmed, just to be sure. Next we are going to add a month to the time and we are going to run the command. We are going to assert that the subscriber still exists. It will still exist because it is now exactly 1 month old. And our command should only delete unconfirmed subscribers that are older than 1 month. Next, we are going to add another second and execute the command again. And this time we are going to assert that the unconfirmed subscriber is actually deleted because it is now older than 1 month. And sure enough, this test passes. Now let's take a look at the second test. So this one proves that it will not delete subscribers that are not in that unconfirmed state. So we are first going to create a subscriber. We are going to assert that its state is subscribed. We are going to add a month and a second to the time. So this subscriber is now older than a month. We are going to call the delete unconfirmed subscribers command again. But this time, because the subscriber isn't unconfirmed but subscribed, and you want to control the flow of time, take a look at our test time package. I'm sure you'll find it helpful.